Hi Hardik, welcome to this interview feedback session. How are you doing today?
I am very fine, thank you, sir.
Great. So for the viewers who are watching this video, Hardik has completed his cybersecurity CEH training recently and also cracked the CEH global certification examination. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about Hardik's CEH training experience with I-MEDITA and what kind of preparation approach he took to crack the CEH global certification examination. So hi Hardik, welcome again and let's get started.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So could you please tell us a little bit about yourself and your background into the IT industry, please?
Okay, so my name is Hardik and I am from Nagpur. I am in Pune for my education. I completed my graduation in Ajinkya Padil School of Engineering. And after that, I wanted to pursue cybersecurity as a career. And I found I-MEDITA classes, which provided the CEH trainings, and it was an affiliated partner. So I joined the classes, and I've successfully completed my CEH training, and I've cracked the exam also.
Great. So how was your overall experience during the CH training program with iMedita?
Overall experience was very nice for me because the trainers were well educated. They instructed me properly, told me what to do, what not to do. Also, Saurabh sir, you also helped a lot. Thank you for that. And the staff was very friendly and polite to me in all ways.
Great. Thank you for sharing these words. I would like to know why you went for CH certification. What was the reason and motivation to go for cybersecurity CH certification? Any specific reason?
Okay, specific reason if it, I already had an interest in cybersecurity. So I did my particular research about what certificates should I pursue for a better career and found out CH. Then I contacted EC Council and they told me about I-MEDITA that and then the rest I joined the classes here.
Great. So during a training program, how much time you spent with your classes, lab practice, self-study?
So particularly I have 2 hours of classes, which was night. It was 8:30 to 10:30. The classes was duration was 45 days, and particularly I had the whole day free. So I have to do practicals for like 2 hours, and I self-studied myself for basically 2 to 3 hours maximum.
Okay. So 2 hours of live classes, 2 hours of practice, and then again 2 to 3 hours of your self-study and revision. So if I'm not wrong, daily basis, you are spending 5 to 6 hours a day, right?
Yes, absolutely, 5 to 6 hours.
This you was able to do because you were not working anywhere, if I'm not wrong, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. Great. So, what are the three major things you liked about iMedita's training and services?
Three major things. First would be the staff and facility. It's absolutely friendly, and I like that. Second is the instructors. My trainer was Yuras sir. He was very friendly to me and he guided me through everything. And third was the facilities provided to us. We have that lab. I used to come to lab every day and I used to attend. I used to attend the classes also and I used to do my self study here only.
Great. And how did you first hear about iMedita? Because this is your first course with iMedita, right?
Yes, yes.
There are many providers, many companies offering similar kind of courses worldwide. So, what motivated you to join only iMedita?
I searched for the EC Council affiliated centers, and one was in Pune. And I also checked the reviews. I searched for multiple classes, but I thought that after checking all the reviews and actually coming a visit here, I found that the facilities provided by IMETA are quite nice. That's why I thought IMETA would be my choice.
Okay, great. And during a training program, did you got all the required support, interview preparation material, examination preparation material, and all the courseware and material from our side?
Yes, sir, yes.
How would you rate entire training services and the services which we have provided to you on a scale of 10?
Okay, absolutely 10 because I've cracked the exam and it helped me a lot in every way.
Okay. In terms of examination, what kind of preparation approach you took to prepare for your exam?
In terms of examination, okay, so EC Council provided the e-course material.
Yeah.
So I have to go through everything from e-course material, the 20 modules which are in the syllabus of CEH exam. So first you have to take the notes, then do the lab practicals in which Yuras sir helped me. So in this way, clear the basics also. So we have to do.
Okay,
That's the way.
great. And you passed the examination in the first attempt itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. And based on your experience, would you recommend our courses to your other friends in your network?
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Okay. And what advice would you give to future students, those who are planning to pursue cybersecurity courses or certification? Do you have any advice for them?
The only advice I can give is stay consistent, and it's a very huge topic. So don't get disheartened if you at stuck at one point.
Right. And any feedback or any suggestion to I-MEDITA through which we can improve our services and training in future? Any suggestion from your end?
Sometimes Yuvraj sir, I couldn't find them, but that's okay. We can cope up with that.
Okay. Okay. Maybe he might be busy with some other ongoing sessions and other classes. That might be the reason. Okay. But you can reach out to any other technical support team member as well. They are there to provide you assistance. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Hardik. Thank you for giving us your valuable time. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming career in cybersecurity. Okay. Do let us know if in case you require any of our assistance during this period. Okay. We wish you all the very best again and keep learning.